got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. This is Home by Delaney, and this is another weekly home reset. And in today's video, we're jumping right in, and I'm going to share with you this super delicious and super easy Boursin Orzo sun-dried tomato bake. This is a recipe that I've been seeing kind of all over, and I just thought I would give it a try. I am a big fan of Boursin cheese, so all you need is to grab a 13 by 9, clear pan like this, put your oven at 425. Now I did half the recipe, otherwise it makes a ton and it doesn't freeze super well. So I did make it again the following week, and I had all of the ingredients. So I cut one of these Boursin garlic and herb cheese blocks in half, and you're going to put that in the center of your pan. I have my phone here because I'm always like, okay, what am I doing? I need a little phone stand in the kitchen as I'm reading off and trying to follow recipes. Obviously you're going to need Orzo. So since I halved the recipe, this made about 4 servings for me. You need 8 ounces of dry Orzo, and I thought it was beautiful that you didn't have to bake the pasta or cook the pasta ahead of time before putting it in the recipe. So you're going to sprinkle that all around your dish. You're going to add in 2 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes in oil, and I just got this jar from King Soopers, and I measured it out into a container and just put it in there. And you want to make sure you keep it in the oil. And then you can, if you have a bunch of different seasonings on hand, I'll have the recipe linked down below. But I ended up just having Italian seasoning. So I used 1 1/4 teaspoons because we're having it of the Italian seasoning. So again, you're going to sprinkle that all over. And then you're going to use 2 cups of low sodium chicken or vegetable broth. I use chicken broth. Again, just super easy to buy and nice to have on hand for recipes like these. You do want to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper in there too. So once you have all of that together, I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of the extra virgin olive oil, and then 1 tablespoon of the oil from the sun-dried tomato jar. So you're using lots of, but it's good oil for you, I should say. So you're going to mix that all into the pan, and then we're going to pop this in the oven with it covered with just loosely with some aluminum foil, and you're going to bake it for 10 minutes. After that 10-minute mark, you're going to take it out of the oven, and you're going to add 1 cup of your favorite greens. Now, it did call for fresh greens. All I had on hand was frozen spinach, and I honestly just wanted to use that up, and it tasted fine. So I used 1 cup of frozen spinach, and you just sprinkle it all in there and stir it all around. The recipe does call for some Parmesan cheese to be added to that. I did skip that part, 1, because I didn't have it on hand, but also because I felt like with the Boursin cheese, it was cheesy enough. But again, personal preference. And you're going to bake it for another 5 to 10 minutes with that on. You also want to make sure that you stir it all around before popping it back into the oven.
I should let you know, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, no words no more, no. was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now.
To add a little protein to this, I just cooked up some turkey sausage, and let me tell you, this is one of my favorite meal prep recipes I've had in a while, and the fact that it was so easy and absolutely delicious was a huge win. So I made this for 2 weeks in a row, but it's definitely going to be on my rotation list for lunch meal prep. And it's also a great dinner recipe too. All right, we're going to do some restocking here of snacks for Odin, and I like to have some snacks for me just to grab and take to work. And then of course my husband has some of these sometimes too. Love me a little restock, but I just want to say, oh my gosh, it's been a couple weeks since I've been able to get a weekly home reset out. It has been absolutely crazy with Easter and, family get-togethers. It's been super fun, don't get me wrong, but honestly, the weekly home resets, while I love to do them to, give you guys motivation, they also help me with motivation and my mental health and just, trying to keep everything together. And so this weekly home reset was filmed a couple weeks ago, and it was definitely a quick, just get some things done sort of style. This next week for my weekly home reset, it's going to be a lot more getting everything together throughout the whole entire house because, again, it's been a few weeks since I've been able to do a weekly home reset. We're going to run into the living room here, do a quick little vacuum. Always got to pick up the hair on the couch, do a quick vacuum here in the living room because we do eat here on the couch. Odin has a little table out here that he eats at. So it's just a nice little space that I like to reset every week. And Odin is going to come in here and help me vacuum, which is always so cute.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. But now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. But now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay.
And in true fashion, as far as the way it works in my house, we cannot usually get everything done in one day. So this was one day after work. So I'm just tackling a few more tasks to get out of the way for the week. And I had all of my like rags. They're all clean, but they'd been sitting in this basket for a while. So I'm going to finally take the time to fold them up and put them away.
Falling deeper. Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love.
And of course, we got to get some things in the kitchen cleaned up. So we are going to start with the sink. And I love using my liquid bar keeper's friend and the scrub daddy. And I feel like that works really well. Whenever I go into a new week, the kitchen is like the main place that I like to have cleaned up. And let me tell you, the last couple weeks that has not happened, and I have really felt that. Going into the week, I just feel like I was not productive and I still had so much to do, and that was really stressing me out. So I am happy that this week, as I'm doing the voiceover, I was able to get the house, in much better shape than it has been. Again, life happens and it's okay. And it probably seems way worse to me than it actually is, like if somebody else were to come over. But again, it's your space and you need to make it the way that you want it to be.
My favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think you said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in
We're going to do a quick wipe down of the kitchen counters, and that is going to be it for this weekly home reset. We really just focused on the downstairs, and again, when that's the space that you spend most of your time, I feel like that is like the biggest impact, whereas you want to keep it clean. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I have a few more videos coming out for my complete home reset series. And then before we know it, we're heading into summer decorating. Check out my spring home tour if you missed it. Such a sweet season. But thank you again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a beautiful week. Bye.
car. Let me say